say all nations and 7.9 plus billions of humans. I hope we are all on the same page on this very crucial, very important civil justice sign of closure I'm providing for myself. It is because the United States of America, with fatal negligence, provided enforced poverty for me. And the United States of America, with fatal negligence, created the robocall poverty for me, and civil justice must be served without any delay. So I, Vedapriya Prose, signing off the civil justice for myself in front of all nations, and I will get the excellent civil justice served. Okay, so I hope we are all on the same page, and it's also a multitasking process. So for I, Vedapriya Prose, proved scandal of absolute monarchs and proved pro-Francis Roman Empire King Herod as of February 2021. Any salary, as in tax-free billions of dollars, USA government can provide effective immediate using direct deposit to my bank account to I am that I am, Vedapriya, Prose, Native Indian tribe, Israelite tribe, Christian Jew of Israel, Judah, Jerusalem, true owner of all nations worldwide can help me. So scandal phases of Republica Europe nations worldwide as in Republica Roman Colosseum Gladiator Facility Italy Rome Vatican. Never educated USA Republican government can never enforce poverty, and USA can never create robocall poverty mandate to I, Vedapriya Prose, a true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, and a true civil supreme judge, and it is fatal negligence of Roman Colosseum Gladiator Facility to be fatal negligence. Either USA government should say knows who is Republica Roman Colosseum Gladiator Facility, or either USA government should say don't know who is Republica Roman Colosseum Gladiator Facility. So Roman Colosseum Gladiator Facility in Italy, Rome, Vatican created robocall poverty mandate, and it is deadliest crime as of February 2021, and it comes under the domestic violence classification of breach of duty, intentional infliction of emotional distress, causation and injury, battery and types, assault and types, false imprisonment and types, trespass to land types, and trespass to chattels and types. Then as of February 6th and beyond, I, Vedapriya Prose, true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, true civil supreme judge, own the text for ongoing civil just sign off, Republica sign off. Okay, so the Republica Roman Colosseum Gladiator Facility with fatal negligence failed to educate. USA cannot create robocall poverty mandate, and by default created Republica USA robocall poverty mandate to I, Vedapriya Prose, true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, true civil supreme judge, and Republica government GOP leader Mitch McConnell, President Trump, Supreme Court Judge Brett Kavanaugh in October 2018 enforced poverty mandate to I, Vedapriya Prose abruptly on October 2018, and Republica government of United States of America took away $4,500 on October 2018 abruptly, and enforced finance debt of $10,210.38 since October 2018, October 2019, October 2020, and as of today, February 6th to February 8th of 2021 and beyond. So finance disabled, and also enforce finance disabled to I, Vedapriya Prose abruptly. So it is crime for Republica Roman Colosseum Gladiator Facility when ruling USA never educated. USA should never provide enforced poverty to I, Vedapriya Prose. So civil justices, I, Vedapriya Prose, want USA Citibank CEO to pay off my debt $10,210.38 and sign off tax-free $4,500 direct deposit to my bank account, and Roman Colosseum Gladiator Facility must sign off tax-free $1,000 billion and direct deposit to my bank account, and at fault and found guilty Holy Highness God of USA, Queen Elizabeth II, and Pope Francis, and Republica government of USA will provide needful help accordingly to be in the same page. And for I, Vedapriya Prose, displayed the scandal of absolute monarchs. I, Vedapriya Prose, for civil justice as in Holy Bible guidelines. I, Vedapriya Prose, want United States of America nation to rename Lord Ripon Building in Tamil Nadu, India after my name as Vedapriya is civil justice served. And Vedapriya Prose to become Vatican leader now is civil justice served. And Pope Francis resigns abruptly now is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya, to become the Supreme Chief Civil Judge for all nations now is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya, to become the Supreme Chief Family Law Judge for all nations now is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to become Global Poverty Relief Medical Director, Chief for all nations to lead and guide World Bank, United Nations organizations, World Health Organization, Center for Disease Control, Department of Children and Families, Department of Health Services, Department of Justice, Department of Revenue, Department of Agriculture, Department of Imports Exports, Department of Military, etc. in all nations across the globe is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to be the ambassador for all nations starting with India is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, must get dual citizenship of USA and India now is civil justice served. And I hope we are all on the same page, and I hope we are all aware that I'm also providing multitasking as well. So talk to you soon. Take care. Bye now.